Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your amarsrivastava, and today I will teach you Maria song, guys. Let's start now.
If the video is too fast, adjust the speed to 0.5x or 0.75x in the YouTube
Okay,
settings.
again, five,
Make sure
6, 7, 8. We are doing the first step, like move your left hand, right hand, down, down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. With your hand, like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we are doing move your first right leg, like tap, then back, close, open. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, close, open. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, close, open. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg open, left leg back, and close and open. Again, 5, 6. Do fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay, guys. After leg, move your hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Easy. Move hand and leg both. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Like kick. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Like back. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Like boom. Okay. Now we are do top 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Okay. After this, we are doing again move your right leg, open, close, jump. Yes, we are doing jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your right leg, then close and jump. Same. Move your left leg. Open your left leg, close and jump. And how we are jumping? Like open, close. First up your right leg, then jump your up your left leg, then down like this. One. Yes. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, jump. 3, 4. Left side, how we are doing? Like up your left leg, then jump up your right leg, then close like this. Yes. Okay, guys. Now move your hand. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. One. We are going right side, then move left side, and we are going go left side, then move right side. Okay, now move bit leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, close, jump. 2, close, jump. Okay, guys. After this, we are doing move your leg like this. Open your right leg, heel or switch. Then move your left leg, same heel and switch. Again, move your right leg and switch. Or we are doing switcher on your heel. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, switch, heel, switch, heel, switch. We are doing with jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. We are doing 3 times. Okay, guys. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. After this, we are doing jump. How we are jumping? Like this. Up your right leg, then back, and up your left leg, then front, and move your leg front, right leg. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. This position we are jumping this. Again, right leg back and left leg come front. This one, then come front your right leg this side. Okay, guys. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. We are doing in top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front. Okay, do slow, slow, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2. Jump front. Yes. Okay, guys. After this, we are doing tap your left leg. One, two times. Then tap your right leg two times. One, two. Got it? And after this, move your hand like this. One, two, three, four. Again, one like a punch. One, two, three, and four. Okay. With like 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap and tap, tap and tap. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap and tap, tap and tap. Okay. After this, we are doing this one is last. Yes. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap and tap, tap and tap. Go back and open your hand like this. Like open and up your right leg. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And open your hand, down your body, up your right leg. Okay, slow. Like up your right leg, then up your left leg, don't down. After this, heel, heel, back, back. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, heel, heel, back, back. Okay, guys, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up, heel, heel, back, back. And do your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we are doing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and open, down, up, down, up. 1. Close your hand like this. Close, open, down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, down, up, 1, close, open, down. Move both leg and hand, do both. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close again. 1. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close. And down. Okay, before your hand down, up your left leg and down. Down with energy. Down and give a stay. Okay, again, we are doing from this 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down and up. Got it? Again, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up. Yes. Okay, guys, we are doing the first tempo slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side jump, side jump. Then heel, twist, heel, twist, heel, and twist. Jump, front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, down, up, down. Heel, heel, heel. Down and up. Yes, again. Okay, now, now medium tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, jump, 2, jump, heel, 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 jump, and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Yes. Now we are doing a song. Yes, we are doing song. Okay, guys. Now we are doing slow tempo in song 0.70. After that, we are doing medium tempo. Okay, guys. Now we are doing original tempo like real tempo. Wait. Okay, guys. I hope you can understand and enjoy in my tutorial, dance tutorial. Now, please do like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon. And we can meet in my next video.